What's up, guys? And it has been a while. It's been like 8 or 9 months, but there's a lot to catch up on. We're gonna start with just got some new things for the Audi and some new wheels that I'm gonna put on. There's a lot to explain, but let's just get the day started and, you know, just like old times. Woo! These are 19 by 11 Whistlers. I decided to go 19 by 11 square all around just because I wanted it to poke all around and I wanted that aggressive fitment. And I just picked up some 225 35s. The tire's a little bit hard on the sidewalls, so let's see if it's gonna stretch. I'm gonna take it to the shop now, put these all in the trunk, and see how it goes. A little bit nervous, but damn, that's wide. But why you buy yourself a wagon. So I just got back home from mounting the wheels. They were a little bit of a struggle for them to put on, but they give it a very nice stretch. Has a little bit here, so maybe I could fit in between here. Let's see how that goes. But I think they'll all fit, no problem. 19 by 11 all around, so I'm gonna have that aggressive fitment. Let's do it. And there it is. God, I love this car. Let me know what you guys think. Jeez, I'm in love. Wheels just does so much justice for a car. What's up, guys? So decided to do another hike today. The other day I did like a little small trail in the city, but I came to a hike outside about an hour away from Denver in the mountains. Pretty cool hike. You see all the top of the mountains. Today, enjoy a beautiful day out. It's been a while. Say a Stan's car can't do everything. Well, we're about 8,000 feet up. Gonna do this hike that's right here. Let's go do this hike. Thank God I brought my water. Brought my water backpack today. Oh, the water that was left in there though, not it. Definitely should have cleaned that. See you, baby girl. The trail isn't so bad. So it's 941 feet in elevation. But it's honestly killing me because it's very cold. So my throat is getting very dry. So far, this is where I'm at. Doesn't look like much, but it says it's 2.8 miles long and it's 941. I'm gonna get to the top, check the sunset out, and then come back down. I don't think I got much time to work with. Hands are definitely cold. They look a little pale. I've just been keeping them in my jacket. I am almost there. 2 sweaters? It's not the case. I should have not worn these 2 sweaters. It's getting very hot. Says I have to make a left. Oh, this trail is pretty like straightforward too. It tells you exactly the way to get up. It's called Chief Mountain if you guys want to check it out. It's right above, so it's right above the ski resort of Echo Mountain. So instead of making a right to go to Echo Mountain, just pass it a little bit and it's on your left hand side. So worth it. And natural sun. Woo! So I'm doing a shortcut to this trail a little bit faster. Ignore the hat. Doesn't get any better than this. Oh, this trail's been kind of tough. People are gonna say, kind of dumb for just going up the side instead of taking the trail. But time is money, my friends. Time is money. Ooh, it's like the Stampmaster. Damn it. Oh, let's go. Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What? Really going up that side. Look at this. 360, baby. 360. Heading down the steep part just to cut some time, because if not, it literally goes like this. So I'm just gonna cut half of this trail, get down there a little bit faster. My phone is dying, and so is the GoPro due to how cold it is. It's just dying a little bit fast, but yeah, gonna be heading down. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I have the Audi right now set up for camping, so that top box that I have in it has everything. It has like tents, chairs, coolers, what else? I have like multiple hiking backpacks, all the stoves. So if you want to see videos of me camping on mountains, give this video a thumbs up. I think that would be pretty cool. And how many times I've gone camping, I've never camped in a tent, which is like so much anxiety for me, just knowing that there's all this stuff walking around me. Now I'm just in this little cloth getting covered. It just doesn't sit right, you know? But I definitely want to try it, step out of my comfort zone. This is just So energetic. It's good for the mind. I don't know if I should keep cutting down or just walk. I'll see you guys when I get halfway down to the mountain. Check in. I literally walked on the side of the cliff. Man, that killed my calves.